Okay, Ryan, here's the video that I had promised you on the custom set of nav lights for your PBY. Here is the main circuit board. The dark colored wires here to the right are your two landing lights. These are your three navigation lights, red, green, and white for the rudder. And then these are the three recognition lights, red, orange, and white. I've got my receiver right here, and for some reason it's not, there, a little too close to the transmitter. I've got it connected up to, instead of using a servo tester the way I normally do, I decided to go ahead and connect this one to a receiver and program my radio to see if I could do what I told you that I thought we can do with this circuit. And the servo is connected in channel 5 just to give you a visual representation of the tip tanks that you have and how the circuit interacts with them. So let me show you how I've got it programmed. I had to program 4 mixes in order to get this to work on my radio. You may be able to do it with fewer or less, but it took 4 mixes in my radio. I've got this 3-position switch right here that I'm using for the 3 modes of the light set itself. And per our conversation, mode 1 is all lights off. Then when we flip to the middle mode, we get navigation lights and recognition lights. Now that one there is red, but the camera's kind of making it look orange. Maybe if I back up a little bit, you can tell the color better. And your landing lights are not on. And then mode 3 on this switch turns your landing lights on in the solid on pattern. Okay, now the other option you wanted to know is if we could switch those landing lights to alternating to the Wig-Wag pattern when the tip tanks came down. I've got them on the gear switch right here on this back corner. So you'll see this, you'll see the servo move, and then you'll see that the landing lights have gone to the Wig-Wag pattern. So presumably now the tip tanks are down and your lights are on Wig-Wag. You bring the tip tanks back up and the landing lights go back to the solid on. Once again, let me show you. Tanks come down, we go to landing lights, or we go to Wig-Wag, I'm sorry. Tanks come up and we go back to solid. And then from landing lights on solid, then there is just the navigation lights, and there is the off. And the way these programs are working, let's say you don't have any lights on and you drop the tanks, the lights come on and the Wig-Wag landing lights come on. So that's working the way I told you I thought we could do it. So you've basically got 4 modes. 3 of them are selectable using this switch right here, and the 4th mode is selectable using this gear switch here in the back corner. So I'm going to upload this video to YouTube and send you the link so you can take a look at it, and then send you the let's see, we've already taken care of the payment on everything, so assuming that everything is okay with you, I've got the rest of your order put together and I'll get it in the mail to you sometime tomorrow. So just look for the link for this video. Thanks, Ryan.